In the next here we are using a yellow dough, making a line now using this stick in this way. So you will get another way of corn is ready. Now it's turn to make the leaf with putting it over it and it's ready. In the next we are using the dough, a white dough, by stuffing this brown thing into it, making it flat, folding it up, now making a cut in between, just twisting it up as we did before, and after this turn we are gonna rolling it up. In the next we are going to make a corn. So what you need a yellow dough and just making this like structure and putting all together onto the white dough. Corn is almost done, is almost ready. So here we are going to do stuff. So just using the knife to make a cut on the downward side, twisting it up with the help of finger as we did before. It's time to roll. It's ready. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. In the next, using a yellow dough, making a line with the help of knife, using this stick in this way so it shapes like a corn. Now making the downward side a flat, using the knife to make a line, putting it up. So another way of corn is ready.